Hello children, welcome to I Love Science. Today we have a very interesting science toy for you which is called plasma ball. If I connect this with electricity, you will see what it does, and then I will explain you the science behind it. So let's take a closer look. So now you should see clearly that at the center of the ball there is a core which is glowing, and lot of light rays are coming out around the globe, right? Now let's see what is happening inside. The center of this globe is actually a Tesla coil, which is generating a very high frequency and high voltage electromagnetic field at the center. Now because of the high frequency and high voltage electromagnetic field, the gases which are filled inside this glass, which are actually a combination of inert gases like neon, krypton, xenon, etc. These gases, their atoms get ionized and the electrons get separated from the atoms. Now when that happens, that condition of the gas is called plasma, which means that it is a combination or a mixture of ions and electrons, and it is in a high energy state. Now because electrons and ions have charges, it is able to conduct electricity, and at the center where we have a very high potential of the electricity, and outside is much lower potential, so the electricity flows out towards the globe. Now let's see, if I bring my finger at some point, then my finger is providing a low resistance path to all the current, and all the current is flowing through my finger. So accordingly you can see that the light is also coming more towards the point where I am touching the globe. So this is a very interesting phenomena that is happening. Not only this, let's see some other tricks also that we can do with this. So if I bring a CFL bulb near this, so then you will see what happens. So you will see that the CFL bulb starts glowing when we bring the CFL bulb near it. Okay, this also happens because the high energy from here, those electrons, that electric field actually gets passed to the gas inside the CFL bulb, and it also starts producing some light. Now let's try to do this experiment with some other methods. I have a tube light here. Now if I bring the tube light also near this, you will see that the tube light starts glowing, but it glows up to the point where I am holding the tube light, because the current comes from here, and then here my hand is holding the tube light. After that there is no light in the tube light. If I hold the tube light from near it, you will see that only this part of the tube light glows and not the farther part, right? And I can glow it like this, and I can glow it like this, and if I hold it from farther, then you will see that the whole portion starts glowing. Okay, now can we do the same thing with LED bulb also? Because you know that in a tube light and in a CFL bulb there is gas inside and there is a fluorescent coating on the glass, but in LED bulb there is not. So let's see what happens. If we bring an LED bulb, nothing happens, but if we bring the LED bulb from this side, then let's see what happens. Even the LED bulb starts glowing. Now this is a very different phenomena here, because now the LED bulb is glowing not because of the particles or gas inside, but this energy is actually getting converted into some electricity, which is actually helping some of the LED bulbs glow here. So this is a very fun science toy. It's not only a nice showpiece, it has a lot of science which you can understand from this toy, which is this plasma ball. And don't forget to like our page so that you do not miss any future fun science videos that we will be posting. Thank you.